This is kind of Puff Admin here. We'll do a video of this 2004 General Electric box fan, model 4733. I bought this back in September 2014. This replaced my 2002 Galaxy box fan, model 4733. I use this every night to sleep. Winter, summer, spring, don't matter. I just wanted to do a video to show you guys. So, it is pretty dirty because it does get used a lot. So, as you can see. And here's the back of it. I love this. So cool. And here's high. Medium. Low. And off. And this does not, being from 2004, does not have a fused plug. It's just a regular polarized plug. It has the holes on the sides for a stand. I guess I didn't think they had stands for a fan back in this time, but I know they did exist. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.